If you're looking to tighten and tone your waist, you've come to the right place. We'll be demonstrating 5 standing exercises that target those obliques and help you achieve the trim waistline you've been aiming for. Exercise 1, Standing Side Crunches. Our first exercise is the standing side crunch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, and gently place one hand behind your head. Now, lift the opposite knee towards the elbow, creating a crunching motion. Feel the contraction on your side as you engage your obliques. Repeat this on both sides for 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 2, Standing Twists with Dumbbell. Grab a light dumbbell and stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the dumbbell close to your chest. Now, twist your torso to one side, keeping your hips facing forward. Feel the twist in your waist. Return to the center and repeat on the other side. Perform 10 to 12 reps on each side. Exercise 3, Torso Twists. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and extend your arms straight out in front of you. Engage your core and keep your hips facing forward. Slowly twist your upper body to one side, rotating from your waist while keeping your hips stationary. Return to the center and then twist to the other side. You can hold a light weight or a water bottle for added resistance as you get comfortable with the movement. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 twists on each side. Exercise 4, Standing Side Leg Lifts. Now, let's work on those obliques and hips with standing side leg lifts. Stand straight, placing your hands on your hips. Lift one leg to the side as high as comfortable, keeping your core engaged. Lower it down with control. Perform 15 to 20 reps on each side. Exercise 5, Wood Chippers. Hold a dumbbell with both hands and stand with your feet hip-width apart. Start with the weight on one side of your body near your hip. Raise the weight diagonally across your body, ending above the opposite shoulder. Rotate your torso as you lift. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, then switch sides. There you have it, 5 fantastic standing exercises that target your waist and help you achieve the tight, toned look you're aiming for. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.